In order to capture video in the daylight using the tablet for our research project for the Kinect 360 outside, you need a black box. The glare from the sunlight really, you can't see anything outside using the software from the glare if you're doing your research. We are not Ghostbusters. We do not provoke spirits. We do not go around asking questions. This research is not to prove the existence of ghosts or disprove them. It's not to say that what we are experiencing or what we're seeing on the film is a ghost or spirit. So therefore we will, however, call it a Kinect ghost for research purposes, I guess you would say. But however, we will be using this system to go around filming locations in the daylight, night, anytime we can, to collect data on what the Kinect. On this one, we shaded black on the inside, and it works perfect. I will be shading this one black, and we will see how it works. And in this video, I want to go over the handheld tripod. This is exactly why we will not be using it on the application for our camera. The camera happens to be just a tad bit heavy, so therefore this is the result. Just wanting to share that with you. And also, what we've been working on is trying to shoot in the daylight. The problem we have in the daylight is the glare from the monitor that comes off the screen, and it's so severe that you cannot see the picture when you're trying. You cannot see the image in the screen when you're filming. So we came up with a little solution. And give it a run in the daylight. Thank you for watching. We're not Ghostbusters per se. We do not provoke spirits, ask questions, unless it's like a house call maybe and the owner wants to ask questions or whatnot, then we may engage in it. But basically we just do research. We go out to areas in the daylight, night, rain, snow, whatever conditions, and gather data on skeletal tracking using the FAST software system that was developed out of a team out of USC, University of South Carolina. There will be a link below to about the FAST software that we use for skeletal tracking. You can use it as a 3D scanner. We put the Band-Aid up there to also in the background a few different models we tried before we came up with this one here that we're pretty much so satisfied with at the moment. As far as we will go out into the sunlight and see what kind of tracking we can do. Thank you for watching. Like I said, we're getting ready to go outside and give it a shot and see what the shadow box, see how they work. Thank you and stay tuned.